Hi everyone. For this session we will discuss few 7 marks problems. So here first problem. Find the equations of tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x which are parallel and perpendicular to the line, and also find the coordinates of their point of contact. See here, this is the given parabola. Y square is equal to 16x. Okay. Now you need to find the equation of the tangent to the parabola. The tangents are parallel and perpendicular to the line. See here, this is the given line. So required tangents are parallel to this line and perpendicular to this line. See here, this is the one of the tangent, and the next other tangent. This is the other tangent. One tangent is parallel and other tangent is what? Perpendicular. Okay. So this equation is 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. See here, given parabola y square is equal to 16x. So comparing with y square is equals to what? 4ax. So clearly 4a is equal to 16. From this, a is equals to 4. So the value of a is 4. You know that the equation of the tangent having the slope m is y is equal to mx plus a by m. See here, we know that the equation of tangent having a slope m is y is equal to mx plus a by m. So this is equation 1. Now you know that what is the value of a? 4. Substitute here. So y is equal to mx plus a. A is what? 4. So this is 4 by m. This is what? Equation 2. Now we are given that required tangents are parallel and perpendicular to the line 2x minus y plus 5 equals to 0. See our first condition. Slope of 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. So slope of this line is m is equals to minus a by b, that is minus 2 by minus 1. You will get 2. So slope of the given line is 2. Here tangent is what? First case parallel to the line. See our first case, required tangent is parallel to 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore clearly, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Therefore slope of tangent is what? M is equals to 2. Now you need to find the point of contact. You need to find this point. So you know that this is the tangent of the parabola. So touches at the point P. Then whose point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. Therefore, point of contact P is what? A by m square comma 2a by m. So what is a value? 4 and m value is 2. Substitute here. P is 4 by 4, 2 into 8. So 2 into 4, 8 by 2. So clearly P point is what? P is 1 comma 4. So clearly this tangent passing through the point P and having the slope m. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is, y minus y1 is equals to what? M of x minus x1. Okay. So otherwise substitute here, you will get directly, that is from equation to y is equal to m is what? 2. So 2x plus 4 by m, 4 by 2. So this is y is equals to 2x plus 2. So equation of the tangent is 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. This is the required equation of tangent. And one more case. See, a tangent is what? Perpendicular to the line. Okay. See, a second case. A required tangent perpendicular to 2x minus y plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, slope is minus 1 by m. That is what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, equation of tangent which is perpendicular to the given line is y is equal to, here from equation to m max, m is what? Minus 1 by 2 plus 4 by m, that is 4 by minus 1 by 2. So therefore this is y is equal to minus x by 2 minus 8. So the equation is what? X plus 2y plus 16 is equals to 0. So this is the another equation of the tangent. Now you need to find a point of contact. So therefore, point of contact, same formula, that is a by m square comma 2a by m. So what is m value? Minus 1 by 2. This is the slope of the tangent. Okay. So this is some m2. So point of contact is what? A is what? 4. Slope is what? Minus 1 by 2. 4 by minus 1 by 2 whole square. Next, comma 2 into 4 divided by minus 1 by 2. So this is 16. Okay. Next, this one minus 16. So this is the point of contact. So see the second one. Show that the equation of the common tangents to the circle and the parabola are y is equal to plus or minus x plus 2. See here, this is the given parabola. This is y square is equals to 8ax. And this is what? Vertex. Clear? That is what? 0 comma 3. And circle is what? X square plus y square equal to a square. So clearly center of the circle is what? Origin. So this is the given circle. Now you need to find common tangents of circle and parabola. Here you need to find tangent, means that is common tangent to the parabola and the circle. So see here solution. Given parabola is what? Y square is equal to 8ax, and circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. Now you know that the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. For 4ax, the equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. But here given parabola is y square equal to 8ax. Here clearly for y square equal to 8ax, the equation of the tangent is what? Y is equal to mx plus 2a by m. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now simplify this. This is my is equal to m square x plus 2a. Again this is m square x minus my plus 2a is equal to 0. This is equation 3. But you need to show common tangent of the circle and parabola. Is what? Y is equal to plus or minus x plus 2. So clearly this is the tangent of the parabola as well as circle. So therefore equation 3 is tangent of circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. So here you know that if a line is tangent of the circle, then the condition is r is equal to d. Therefore condition is what? R is equal to d. What is the radius of the circle? Root 2a. And d is what? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. So this distance is what? Radius as well as d. So clear d is perpendicular distance from center of the circle, that is 0, 0 to the tangent, that is to equation 3. Therefore root 2a is equal, formula is what? Mod c by square root of a square plus b square. Now this is root 2a is equal to, c is what? 2a. So divide by square root of a square plus b square. A is what? M square. So m square whole square plus b square minus m whole square. You will get m square. So squaring on both sides. So you will get 2a square is equals to 4a square divided by m power 4 plus m square. So a square get cancelled, 2 1 ja 2 2 2. Now this is m square whole square plus m square minus 2 is equals to 0. So clearly it represents a quadratic equation in terms of m square. Okay. You need to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So here this can be written as m square whole square plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is equals to 0. From the first two terms m square is common. You will get m square plus 2. And here minus 1 is common. You will get m square plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is m square plus 2 into m square minus 1 is equals to 0. So clearly m square plus 2 is not is equals to 0. So m square minus 1 is equals to 0. So clearly m is equals to what? Plus or minus 1. Therefore, the equation of common tangents is y is equal to mx. M is what? Plus or minus 1. Plus 2a by m. Again 2a by plus or minus 1. You will get plus or minus x plus 2a. So clear, these are the common tangents of the circle and parabola. See your next question number 3. The normal at a point P of T1 on the parabola y square equal to 4x. So meets the parabola again in the point P of T2. Then prove that this condition. See here, this is the given parabola. Suppose this is what? Tangent of the parabola. And you know that a line perpendicular to the tangent is called a normal to the parabola. Now this normal at P of T1 and P of T2. You know that the equation of the normal at point P of T1. See here, solution. Given parabola y square is equals to 4x. So you know that the equation of normal at P of T1 means P of AT1 square comma 2AT1 is, what is the equation of the normal at point AT1 square comma 2AT1? So that is y plus xt1 is equals to 2AT1 plus AT1 cube. So this is the equation of the normal. Now this normal again meets the parabola at P of T2. So this is the equation 1. So again equation 1 meets the parabola at P of T2 means P of AT2 square comma 2AT. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Now clearly this point satisfies the equation 1 because of that normal meets the parabola to point P of T2. So substitute here what you get y. Y value is 2AT2. So 2AT2 plus x value AT2 square into T1. AT2 square into T1 is equals to 2AT1 plus AT1 cube. So send this one left side and this one right side. So then it becomes 2AT2 minus 2AT1 is equals to AT1 cube minus AT2 square T1. In both terms 2a is coming. You will get T2 minus T1. Here in both terms AT1 is coming. AT1 of T1 square minus T2 square. Now this can be written as minus of 2a times of T1 minus T2 is equals to a t1 into it in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So this can be written as t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. So t1 minus t2, t1 minus t2 get cancel and a get cancel. Now this is what? Minus 2 is equals to t1 into t1 plus t2. t1 plus t2. Again this is t1 square plus t1 t2. This is minus 2. Therefore the required condition is t1 square plus t1 t2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is the required condition. So see the next question. If a normal chord at a point P on the parabola y square equal to 4x subtends a right angle at vertex, then prove that T is plus or minus 1. See here, this is the given parabola and this is what? Vertex of the parabola, and this is the normal to the parabola. So that normal at point some P of t, that is P a t square comma 2at, and this normal subtends a right angle at vertex, means angle between these two is 90 degrees. Then prove that P value is plus or minus 1. So clearly your vertex is what? Origin. See here, these two lines passing through the vertex means origin. Now, angle between these two lines is 90 degrees. Means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Then we can say that these two lines are perpendicular. So for that, we have to homogenizing the given parabola with the normal line. See here, given parabola y square is equals to 4ax. So this is equation 1. So equation of normal at p of at square comma 2at is y plus xt is equals to 2at plus at cube. Now this can be written as y plus xt divided by 2at plus at cube is equals to 1. This is equation 2. Now homogenizing equation 1 with equation 2, that is y square is equal to 4ax. So clear this is not homogeneous equation. So change into homogeneous equation, then every homogeneous equation what? Passing through the origin. Now that's why we are doing homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 2. So for that, here decrease to here 4ax, right, into 1. So this is y square is equal to 4ax into what is one value? Y plus xt divided by 2at plus at cube. Now cross multiplication. So what you get? Y square into 2at plus at cube is equals to 4axy next plus 4ax square t. Now again this is 4atx square. Next write this one minus of 2at plus 8 cube y square plus 4axy is equals to 0. See here, these lines are what? Perpendicular. So therefore, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. So coefficient of x square 480 plus coefficient of y square minus 280 plus 80 cube. So right here minus 280 minus 80 cube is equals to 0. So 480 minus 280. So 280 is equals to what? 80 cube. So a get cancelled. So 1 t also get cancelled. So t square is equals to what? 2. Therefore the value of t is plus or minus root 2. So this is the required condition. For next session we will discuss more problems.